Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix Vanish Mode on Instagram. So let's have a look now. Open up your Instagram app. After that, you need to go to the chat tab on the top right corner. Click on it. Now here you will get to see all your available messages. So tap on the one that you want, and then what you need to do is swipe up from the bottom as shown right here. If you tap and hold it down and swipe up, you will get to see this message, release to turn on Vanish mode. So as you can see, after releasing it, it says you turned on Vanish mode. So now you can send text messages to your friend right here, and once you close the chat they will disappear. And to turn it off you just need to swipe up again, and as you can see it says release to turn off Vanish mode. You can also tap on the top to turn it off. So that is exactly how you can use Vanish mode on Instagram. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching our videos. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.